Let's check what is inside of the layers and what the structure of this keyboard. Now you can see how this keyboard looks like without keycaps, and it's kind of funny one. You see all these different pictures, icons under the switches, and I cannot see any heavy rattling or something like that. So this is a PCB-A. Obviously, it's something different, not all the same, the standard. And in this case, we have this really custom PCB with marking Wooting 60HE version 2.2.5. Next layer is APDM foam, and this is ABS tray. Interesting enough, this is a plastic. For this price, maybe I would expect aluminum one, especially take into account that this is not wireless. Anyway, it's wired keyboard, so it doesn't matter from signal point of view.